Inclusion is not a people initiative, it's a leadership discipline, and I think that distinction is very important. Because in many organizations, inclusion is still positioned primarily as a culture initiative, an HR initiative, or something nice to have. But the real impact shows up somewhere else entirely. Inclusion directly affects decision quality, innovation, and risk awareness. Because ultimately it influences who gets heard, who gets challenged, and who actually shapes direction inside the organization. And those dynamics matter far beyond culture alone. In complex organizations, they influence the quality of decisions being made every single day, which means they also influence performance. So the real question is not whether inclusion matters. The question is, how does it actually show up in your leadership decisions?